They say that wiring a charging cart can be difficult and time-consuming. We decided to put this theory to the test. Here are the results. Don't endure the stress of wiring your own cart. Invest in Pre-Wired, a solution that comes pre-assembled, ready for easy and fast deployment of devices, right out of the box. What would you do with an extra hour of time? Spend time focusing on what matters most with Pre-Wired. Which Pre-Wired solution is yours? Save time, charge smart with Bretford's new Pre-Wired line of solutions.